Hello everyone, Gordy here, your go-to guide for everything travel-related. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey to the land of smiles, Thailand. We're going to explore how your wallet feels living in this tropical paradise in 2023. We've got some incredible tips coming up that you won't want to miss. So buckle up as we dive into the vibrant and affordable life of Thailand. Thailand, a country known for its diverse lifestyles and affordable living, beckons us today. It's a place where your dollar stretches far, and your lifestyle can be as laid back or as luxurious as you desire, all without breaking the bank. Let's start with housing. Thailand offers a wide array of options to suit every taste and budget. Whether you're a fan of the bustling city life or you're more inclined towards the tranquility of the countryside, there's a place for you. Fancy a modern condominium in the heart of Bangkok or perhaps a resort-style house overlooking the Andaman Sea. You can have either or even both and still not feel a pinch. And the best part? The prices are incredibly reasonable. You might be thinking that such luxurious living must come with a hefty price tag, but that's the beauty of Thailand. The cost of housing is surprisingly affordable, making it a true paradise for those who dream of living in comfort without draining their wallets. You'll be pleased to know that this affordability extends beyond just housing. Daily essentials like groceries and utilities are also surprisingly inexpensive. This means that you can enjoy a comfortable, worry-free lifestyle without constantly counting pennies. But the affordable Thai lifestyle isn't just about the cost, it's about the quality of life that you get in return. The warm, welcoming culture, the vibrant festivals, the breathtaking landscapes, and the endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. All of these add up to create a lifestyle that's not only affordable but also rich and fulfilling. But housing is just the beginning. Wait till you hear about the food. Thailand is a paradise for food lovers, offering a wide variety of cuisines without burning a hole in your pocket. Let's embark on a culinary journey, shall we? The gastronomic landscape of Thailand is as diverse as it is delectable. You can't walk a block without being enticed by the aromatic allure of local street food stalls. From the spicy kick of tom yum soup to the comforting goodness of pad thai, these dishes are as authentic as it gets. But don't worry, they won't break your bank. You can enjoy a satisfying meal from these street vendors for less than the price of your morning coffee back home. And the adventure doesn't stop at street food. Thailand is a melting pot of cultures, and this reflects in their abundance of international cuisine. So whether you're craving sushi, pizza, or even a good old burger, you're covered. The best part? You get to enjoy these international dishes at a fraction of the cost you'd expect. Now, if you're a fan of fine dining, Thailand has a plethora of high-end restaurants that cater to your sophisticated palate. Here you'll find world-class chefs serving up innovative dishes that blend traditional Thai flavors with modern cooking techniques. But even these upscale dining experiences are surprisingly affordable compared to their Western counterparts. What about groceries, you ask? Well, whether you're shopping at a local market or a modern supermarket, you'll find that fresh produce, meats, and other staples are significantly cheaper. So if you enjoy cooking, you'll love the quality of ingredients available at such reasonable prices. The average cost of meals, you wonder? Well, it depends on your preferences. You can have a hearty street food meal for just a couple of dollars, while a more luxurious dining experience at a high-end restaurant might set you back $20 to $30. But remember, that's still a bargain compared to similar experiences elsewhere. Well, with all that delicious food, you'll need to keep the lights on to see it, right? Thailand keeps your wallet happy even when it comes to utilities. Now, let's talk about the essential services that keep the lights on and the water running in your home. In Thailand, the cost of utilities is surprisingly affordable. The average monthly bill for basic utilities, including electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage, can be as low as $50. Yes, you heard that right, just $50. That's less than the price of a fancy dinner at a high-end restaurant in many other countries. And it's not just about the low cost. The quality of service is impressive too. Power outages are rare, and the water supply is generally reliable. Plus, Thailand has embraced renewable energy, so you're not just saving money, you're also contributing to a greener planet. But what about the internet, you might ask? Well, Thailand has one of the fastest internet speeds in Southeast Asia. And it's affordable too. For about $20 a month, you can get a high-speed internet connection that allows you to stream your favorite shows, work remotely, or video call your loved ones back home without any hiccups. The affordability of utilities in Thailand is a big plus for those living on a budget, especially retirees and expats. But even if you're not pinching pennies, who doesn't love saving some cash? So whether you're planning to work from a beachfront condo, retire in a tranquil village or just enjoy the vibrant city life, Thailand makes it easy to live comfortably without breaking the bank. And for those of you thinking about making Thailand your home, we have some exciting news for you. Thailand is not only a travel hotspot but also a popular choice for expats and retirees. The allure of Thailand extends far beyond its stunning beaches and bustling markets. It's the vibrant culture, the friendly locals, and the low cost of living that draws people from all over the globe to make this land of smiles their new home. Expat communities thrive in many Thai cities, from the cosmopolitan hub of Bangkok to the laid-back charm of Chiang Mai. These communities offer a sense of familiarity and comfort, creating a home away from home for many. Moreover, with English being widely spoken, language barriers are less of a concern, making it easier for expats to integrate and make local connections. The cost of living in Thailand is another significant factor that attracts expats and retirees. Picture this: living comfortably in a condo or a resort-style house without breaking the bank, and indulging in mouth-watering Thai street food for less than the cost of a cup of coffee back home. It's not just about the low expense but the quality of life that comes with it. In Thailand, your money stretches further, enabling a lifestyle that might be unattainable elsewhere. And let's not forget the vibrant culture that is inherently Thai. From the grandeur of its temples to the exhilaration of its festivals, Thailand offers a cultural richness that is both fascinating and immersive. The country's tradition of hospitality, embodied in the Thai phrase Mai Pen Rai, meaning no problem, creates a welcoming environment for newcomers. For those seeking adventure, Thailand doesn't disappoint. Whether it's exploring the ancient ruins of Ayutthaya, snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of the Phi Phi Islands, or trekking in the lush mountains of the north, there's always something exciting to do. Healthcare in Thailand also deserves a mention. The country boasts a high standard of medical facilities, often at a fraction of the cost compared to Western countries. This, coupled with the country's emphasis on wellness and holistic living, makes it a desirable choice for retirees. So, are you ready to pack your bags for Thailand? So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the affordable and vibrant life in Thailand. We've explored the diverse range of affordable housing, tantalizing cuisines, cost-effective utilities, and why Thailand is a go-to place for many expats. And guess what? There's so much more to discover about this incredible country in our upcoming videos. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts or experiences about the cost of living in Thailand? Drop your comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel content. Until next time, this is Gordy, signing off.